Hey team, this is Andrew Parrish. I'm going to be going over our workplace etiquette. First off, real simple stuff. Be on time. Don't expect everyone to be there early, just need everyone to be there on time. The other point there is, also the dress code. Make sure you're adhere to the dress code. Make sure everyone will adhere to it. Your staff, employees, everything will adhere to that dress code there. Lastly, be mindful of your conversations, especially when our floor staff is on the around customers. Want to make sure we're not offending anyone. Be mindful. Be able to help these customers out. Don't want any complaints. Let's talk about work appropriate stuff. Saves a lot of issues if we're just being professional in our conversations and not talking about things that are inappropriate for work. So also in the workplace here, be aware of your body language. Don't be, sitting back when someone's talking to you or just looking at your phone or just not paying attention. Maintain eye contact. Have appropriate body language. This leads to effective communication with your team. We have the team chat where everyone can chat together. That way it's written. Sometimes someone isn't in the room, but they'll hear about it through the team chat. And then that way you can manage expectations and let everyone know what's going on in the workplace that day, week, month, whatever it is. Another key thing, real simple as well, respect each other. Just have the same level of respect as if you're talking to a subordinate, if you're talking to someone above you. Just treat everyone with respect. Everything will go a lot smoother. And then when we do our company events here, one thing I want to touch on is try to stay off your phone. We're trying to get together. Obviously, it's not mandatory for you to be there, so we ask that you try to stay off your phone. And please don't gossip. That's another thing. We get a lot of these stores together, and we don't want to be spreading rumors or talking bad about other stores, this and that. It's just not really appropriate. And like I said, professionalism always. If you remain professional at the event, you're not going to have any problems. So at events, let's always just be professional. You can have fun. Of course, everyone knows I like to have fun, but let's just keep it professional. And then also alcohol consumption. Let's keep it at a good level here. We don't need everyone getting overly drunk at company events, especially if it's a family event. And please only drink when we provide alcohol. We don't want, if we're having a family day, someone to bring in beers. Might upset some other families. So we just want to only drink when alcohol is provided, please. In conclusion, the simple stuff can make or break a team. The simple stuff is something we like to harp on a little bit just because it's easy to do and it can make us more successful or it can really hurt us. And again, be professional. If you just, through all this, just be a professional, then you're going to be just fine. Any questions or concerns? Thank you.